Now we have gone through the case 1. Now what is case 2? Once again I am just repeating, to find total number of combinations of n dissimilar things taking any number of them at a time. Case 1 we have done it. Now case 2, what case 2 states? Case 2 says selection of different things. Now here also selection of different things, also we are having two different possibilities, okay, and so we are going to discuss both the possibilities. Now possibility 1, what can be the possibility? The possibility can be when all the things are different. Possibility 1 is when all the things are different. And what can be the second possibility? Second possibility can be when all the things are not different. Okay, so this is possibility 1 and we can write it as a in the case 2. Okay, so suppose the number of ways in which a selection can be made out of P plus Q plus R things. Okay, we have just supposed it can be made out of P plus Q plus R things, of which P are alike of one kind, Q are alike of second kind, and R are alike of third kind. Okay, so all the three we have just supposed that P in for the selections to be made from P, Q and R, where P is of one kind, Q is of second kind, R is of third kind. Okay, then what key and now P alike things can be treated in P plus 1 ways. Now why P plus 1 ways? Because we are having one option that we can't select it. Okay, so P alike things can be treated in P plus 1 ways as we are discussing for at most 2. So for the at most 2 we are taking 2 or less than 2, and we can even take 0 also. Okay, so P alike things can be treated in P plus 1 ways because we can select 0 or 1 or 2 up to P times. Okay, similarly Q and R alike things can be treated in Q plus 1 and R plus 1 ways respectively. Okay, now therefore associating the total number of ways, these will be p plus 1, q plus 1, r plus 1 ways. Now one possibility is what one, that we can't select all the three, okay. So but there can be chance of rejecting all. Therefore required number of ways is equal to p plus 1, q plus 1, r plus 1 minus 1. Okay. So this is the proved part. We have to move for this formula in such type of questions.